Number 1, have a suggestion. It means to offer an idea or plan for someone to consider.
I have a suggestion for our group project. I have a suggestion for our group project. She had a suggestion to improve the process. She had a suggestion to improve the process. Do you have a suggestion for dinner tonight? Do you have a suggestion for dinner tonight?
Number 2, have words, a word. It means to have a short conversation, often serious or stern.
The teacher had words with the student after class. The teacher had words with the student after class. They had a word about the broken window. They had a word about the broken window. I need to have a word with you later. I need to have a word with you later.
Number 3, have a hard time. It means to experience difficulty with something.
He's having a hard time solving the puzzle. He's having a hard time solving the puzzle. She had a hard time learning to drive. She had a hard time learning to drive. They have a hard time waking up early. They have a hard time waking up early.
Number 4, have trouble. It means to experience difficulties or problems.
I have trouble remembering new vocabulary. I have trouble remembering new vocabulary. She has trouble focusing on her homework. She has trouble focusing on her homework. They always have trouble finding their keys. They always have trouble finding their keys.
Number 5, have a nightmare. It means to experience a bad dream.
The child had a nightmare last night. The child had a nightmare last night. I often have nightmares before exams. I often have nightmares before exams. She had a nightmare about getting lost. She had a nightmare about getting lost.